Riley here for another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Stay tuned as I share with you another interesting video. Today's video is about the force in which your filtration system have within the aquarium space or pond and how it affects your fish. Okay, so let's delve into the video. Okay, so here you're seeing my guppies, right? My guppies are in my 60-gallon aquarium on my veranda. Yes, the water is green. But that's not the point right now. The point is looking at the filtration system as to how that actually affects your fish. Now, having a very strong filtration system, or should I say a bubbler, an air pump, a hand-back filtration system, which forces the water into the aquarium, or should I say forces the air, a lot of air into the aquarium, causing the water to actually be vibrate, or oxygenated very rigorously. I've spoken about the whole idea of over-oxygenation. This goes far beyond over-oxygenation. This goes to the direction where in which your fish now finds it difficult to actually even swim in a balanced mode. Sometimes fish just likes to sit there swimming and not paying attention to what's going on. It's like it's meditating. This type of force within the aquarium space kind of stresses the fish, so the fish will no longer have the opportunity to give birth properly. The fish will be stressed, so the fish will be prone to diseases. The fish will not be able to run away from other fish. For example, male guppy chasing a female guppy in the water. It will be very difficult if the current of the water is so much that it actually pushes the fish towards a particular section. That means that section in which the water is actually, the current is actually coming from, shall I say, the wave or the rigidity of the water, the jerking of the water is coming from. That means that the fish will not have the opportunity to actually swim there. The swimming space for the fish will be limited, right? It is of importance that whenever you're actually setting up your aquarium, that you allow your aquarium to have a quiet place. Now, whilst filtration is necessary, you must think about the whole idea of the fish actually having that quiet space. Having a filtration system that is more powerful, that is powerful enough to actually collect the water, filter the water, and release the water into the aquarium or the pond is of tremendous importance, right? You can't have several filtration mechanisms in all sections of the aquarium and expecting that the fish would be doing well health-wise. The fish will actually die because of stress, because of infection by parasites, because of illness, disease that is brought onto the fish as a result of the fish trying to, maneuver its way over one side of the aquarium, and it's been hampered by the air that is coming from the sponge filter beneath, or the hang on the back filter that is pushing the water too much into the water, so therefore the fish is unable to swim, right? This even get more complicated when you're trying to feed the fish, and the current is as if the current is actually pulling the feed towards it, and when the fish is actually swimming towards the feed, it finds it very difficult. So as a result of it, it's like a repulsive magnet. The fish is actually going in one direction, the feed is going in one direction, and the fish is really suffering at that moment. Gentle filtration system is the required filtration system that is needed for your aquarium. That is the reason why whenever you're purchasing your air pump, you should actually look at the maximum head. You should look at the velocity. You should look at the whole idea of the recommended tank size for the air pump. Try not to use too large of a air pump in a small aquarium. This can be detrimental to your fish, right? This also might end up resulting in your fish giving it stillbirth. For those fish that actually lay eggs, what you might find is that the eggs, because the filtration system is so torrid, the filtration system is so, the current is moving so strong. What you might find is that the eggs, whenever the eggs are laid in the aquarium, the eggs are actually being taken off the siding of the aquarium as a result of that. Also, let's say that you have an alpha male within the aquarium and you have this type of filtration mechanism. What will happen is that there will be constant fight and probably death within the aquarium, because the fish that is trying to get across to go over on the other side of the aquarium is prevented by doing so, is prevented from doing so as a result of the filtration system that you have actually employed within your aquarium, right? So yeah, aquarium filtration should suit the aquarium size, the fish type that you have within that space. Thank you for stopping by. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye for now. Riley here. Peace.